Hey everyone, what's up guys? How are you guys doing? Okay guys, so you're welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I'm gonna be showing you how to use banana and lemon to achieve that glow, to achieve a uniform skin, to achieve a perfect skin. Okay, firm up your skin, tighten it up, and make your skin look beautiful. Okay, so that's it. If you want to know all of the ingredients, because there are more ingredients that I just impute in it to make this even better. Okay, if you want to know what it is, to continue watching, and let me take you right into this video. But before that, do not forget to thumbs up, subscribe, and share the video, and let's go. So guys, I want to show you a very simple way to get rid of stretch mark using very ripe banana peel. Okay, so banana peel is actually a very great ingredient. It helps for so many things. Yeah, so what I'm going to do now is that I'm going to be removing it this way. Now you can equally use banana peel for removal of skin tag, pimples, and cellulite. So banana peel is actually very important and very helpful. So I'm going to be taking off the inside peel. So that way I'm going to be turning it into the small mortar and then mash it. Let it be very smooth. You have to mash it into a very fine paste. So after which you've mashed, then you have to turn that into a bowl for mixing other ingredients. So this is how it is. It's pretty smooth now. And then the next ingredient I'm going to be needing will be lemon. Now lemon is very good for several things on the skin, more especially it will help to activate the usefulness of this banana to get rid of your stretch marks. Okay, so what you do is that you're going to be putting just a little drop of lemon into this banana peel and then we mix it. And then also we're going to be making use of coconut oil. Coconut oil is essential for the skin, it's essential for the hair and for the body. It helps so much to rejuvenate and get rid of blemishes on the skin. It will also get rid of stretch marks. Okay, so that's why we have to put just a little of it into this mix, and then this would help to greatly remove the stretch marks. Okay, so the very last ingredient which is going to make this thing a powerful stretch mark remover cream is this, and this is shea butter. Now shea butter is very essential for the skin, guys. You use it for baby skin, you use it for so many things, like especially when it comes to stretch marks. Okay, so we're gonna be taking a spoonful of shea butter, and then we're going to mix it into this. So we'll try to mix it pretty well. Okay guys, so here you have your stretch mark cream. Now you have to go give this a try. Okay, you have to go give this a try, and you're going to see the huge improvements that this is going to do on your skin. So what you do is that you're going to grab your stretch mark cream just like this, and then you apply it onto the affected area. Now when you blend your banana skin peel very well, you're not going to be having any particles, so you have to try to blend it very well. Okay, so rub it this way, and then you massage it, let it get into the skin. Okay, and then try to get rid of all of the stretch marks from the skin. Now there's one thing I want to tell you guys: stretch mark doesn't actually just go very quickly on the skin just like that. Okay, so you have to be consistent when you are applying this treatment onto your stretch mark area. Okay, by that way it's going to be going little by little, at least for 1 month, okay, of trying this, using this. You're going to see okay, so you have to massage it in a circular motion when you are applying it this way, and you have to apply a little bit of patience. And you equally know that stretch mark is something that doesn't just go like that on the skin. It takes a little while, but consistency of applying this product on your skin, on your stretch mark area, on the affected area, would actually help to make this stretch mark cream very effective, and to actually make the stretch mark begin to disappear little by little. Okay, so this is how it's going to be like when you've applied it. You can see there's actually nothing on my hands apart from the shininess. Okay, so it has actually gone deep into my skin, and it's working basically. Okay, so that's how you're going to apply it onto your stretch mark area, and then it's going to help your skin so very much. Alright, so for this particular one, you have to turn it into an airtight container. You know, tight it very well, and then you would have to rub it every day. If you can even apply it 2 times in a day, you can use it. It's not going to go bad, but it's going to begin to be a little dark. It's okay, it's because of the banana peel. It's perfect, nothing is happening to it. Rub it every day or 2 times in a day. In 1 month, all of your stretch mark will be gone and gone for good. So go give this a try and you're gonna be loving it. So that's it, guys. It is amazing. I love it. You apply it onto your body, your face, like it is actually really nice. I love it so much, and I know you're going to equally love it. Okay, so that's it. If you do love this video, do not forget to give me a thumbs up, subscribe and share, and keep your skin healthy. Make sure you wash your face every 2 times in a day literally, and scrub your face 2 times in a week also. So that's it. I will see you again in my next video. Bye guys.